Sometimes you kind of have to eat a little bit of humble pie, or is that the case? Well, we're going to talk a little bit about Pepe and Pepe2 in this video. For those of you that have been around for a while or been in my live streams, you kind of know I called Pepe2, well, I thought it was dead. Turns out 80% pump later on, it's still looking pretty interesting. I'm going to break down exactly what's going on with it, as well as the original Pepe starting to move. Is there a ton of money to be made still with these two cryptocurrency meme coins? Well, we'll find out in this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. And with that being said, let's head on over and take a look at exactly what's going on. So like I said, back about 4 or 5 days ago, we were seeing Pepe down here, bottoming out at the 2s. And I genuinely thought that was kind of going to be it. We saw their account spending on Twitter, but since then it has absolutely skyrocketed and actually is looking like a pretty nice breakout. 78.5% up on the day. 6655 is the current price. Now, you might be thinking, okay, 2bit, how much more is there to come? Well, right now there is definitely a potential. We're starting to see a significant number of buys coming in, a couple of big sells as you would expect, which just drives volume. Volume up 90% on the day, around 6.83 million. What's very important for anything, and irrespective whether it's Pepe2, Pepe the original, whatever it is you get new money coming into the project. That's how you drive a fundamental increase in price and community sentiment. And we can officially say there's a 7% gain in holders for Pepe2, now breaking 111,143 at the point of which we're recording this video. What is interestingly, MEXC now holding 11.6% of the supply, about $3.5 million on there. Why is that important? Well, it's important to stabilize that liquidity pool to ensure that actually investor confidence can come back in Pepe2. Now, you might be thinking, well, he's completely flipped. I told you would do it 2bit. There is something to be mindful of. Yes, it's on the rampage once again, 6759. It is still a way off those all-time highs of breaking a zero. And what you have to remember is the original Pepe coin did something very, very similar. If we head back all the way to here, which is where the original Pepe coin ran all the way up to its all-time highs, we see a very similar pattern. We saw this massive run up all the way up to that 54856 on the hype of listing Binance. We then saw the pump with a following resurgence back up to the 3.5. So if you think about that drop to that, it's a significant drop. However, it is a second move up. You take Pepe2, it's doing something very, very similar, albeit over a slightly tighter timescale. So it has to break out on some of the levels of support. And as you can see on the original Pepe, it has just sort of faded to where we currently sit down here right now in this bottom level around the kind of 1730. Now, I do always say Pepe in a bull market could be very, very interesting. Pepe2, if it gets there, could also see us scrapping out to see who the top meme coin is. But what are the experts saying? Well, it says per coin market cap of $182 million worth of Pepe was traded in the past 24 hours with a 103% increase in the previous day. Moreover, the total number of unique wallet addresses holding Pepe has risen in the last 6 days, highlighting the resurgence of the interest in the token. And fundamentally, this is the kind of meme coin space where one needs to go insane. A lot of people will just send money back into meme coins. There is a ton of money to be made if you invest sensibly. It says the surge in activity reflects the market expanding confidence in Pepe's price potential, evidenced by the token's recent 12% price pump. At the time of writing, Pepe hovering around that 5018 level, the same on May 20th. However, more importantly for Pepe bulls, price has broken out of the bull flag pattern on the daily chart, indicating that a sharp uptrend could occur. So it's very interesting to see what happens right now with the original Pepe, and do we see a breakout, but does that impact Pepe2? I don't know. Time's going to have to tell us exactly what's going on with this one, but fundamentally we could see a break to the upside on both Pepe and including Pepe2. The overall market is sitting kind of around flat by that $1.2 trillion market cap. But again, Pepe and Pepe2 could be pretty interesting for the next 24 hours. The whole DeFi space having a pretty interesting ride. And like we said, we'll see what happens. Now, I am hearing rumors of Pepe2 potentially starting to launch on some other exchanges. We are not seeing anything come in right now for any further exchanges. We'd be looking at something like BYBIT or something like you know, something like Bitmart or one of those kind of smaller exchanges. You can sign up to BYBIT. OKX would be another one, using the link in the description down below. And also, if you enjoy coffee, well, let's take a word from Degen Crypto Coffee, the latest coffee for all of your investment needs. Degen Crypto Coffee is the latest coffee that is for all of your investment needs. Now, Degen Crypto Coffee is sourced from fantastic local growers and ensures that you get the perfect blend for every investment decision you make. Now head on over to the website dgencryptocoffee.com and find the amazing blends that they have from fantastic prices. You can also bag yourself a 15% discount using code 2BitCrypto15. Now, DGen Crypto Coffee is the latest coffee brand to really hit the market, and you can pay with either crypto or fiat. If you like drinking coffee and you like investing in crypto, then DGen Crypto Coffee is the coffee for you. So now you've got your cup of coffee. We do want to keep an eye on this. Do we see some exchanges coming in? Again, it's going to stabilize the price and probably cements Pepe2 as a very, very potential big money maker. Like I said, let's see how this happens. Currently, I am eating my words for all those people that are watching and all those people on Twitter. Do you know what? You did prove me wrong. You're having a great week. Let's see where it goes. And look, I hope everybody does make a significant amount of money. Be sensible with your trades. It won't be around, I don't think, at these levels for the longest time. Be sensible, make your money, get out, and let's see exactly where Pepe goes. But let me know in the comments down below, where do you see Pepe2 going? Is the Pepe2 army out? And can we see it always break all-time highs once again? As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and troll me on Twitter if you are in the Pepe2 army, because, you know, I've eaten my humble pie. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.